Hey guys, Montana, artist and behavioral health technician with Crockd here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a slab vase like this. Get started by dividing your clay into 3 pieces, warming a piece up with the palm of your hand, then rolling it into a ball. Next, you'll want to flatten your clay ball with a rolling pin or any equivalent tool. I'm using a glass jar. Cut out the front piece of your vase from your flattened piece of clay. This can be any shape that you'd like. Repeat the same steps of rolling your clay into a ball and flattening it out with your rolling pin or jar. Cut out the back side of your vase. Feel free to line up the piece you've already cut so the shape and size are an even match. Use a tool or your fingers to smooth out your pieces. Roll out your next ball of clay, then carve out a shape for the bottom of your vase. Using the leftover clay from your carvings, repeat the same steps of rolling the clay into a ball, flattening it out, and then use that clay to carve out the sides of your vase. To combine the faces, sides, and bottom of your vase, you'll need to score the areas coming into contact with each other using your little spiky tool. Take your little spike tool and draw little X's or hashtags all along these areas. Then dab the scored areas with water, attach, and blend. Carve off any uneven bits if you need to. If you'd like to add handles to your vase, you can do this by rolling out a coil using any leftover clay. Then score, slip, attach, and blend your handle in. For extra security, add a little baby coil around each point of your handle and blend it in. After you're done blending and perfecting your piece, just carve your initials in the bottom and then let it dry. After a couple days, you can paint it with acrylic paint, or you can wait about a week and then take it to a kiln to be fired. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to tell us what you want to make next.